Hey, this is Marko, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use credit cards in YNAB. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically first you have to go to the accounts, top right, and create a credit card account. So the account type will be credit card. Now you can always link to that credit card directly to your bank, but if you don't want to do that, you can just add it manually. And then you have your credit card here. Now you can add money to this credit card. Let's say, I don't know, you have working balance of $500 and then you save that, and now we have $500 ready to assign to whatever. Now if you go to the top right to categories, you can always create like categories using the top left file icon, where you can be like expenses for credit card 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you name those expenses, and from transactions you add the money to that credit card, and then you go to the budget and let's say credit 2. I have an expense. Now you can always add the transaction. Let's say, I don't know, this something was $50. What? Anyways, let's just create new one. Okay, this one was $50. Category, so we do the credit 2. You can of course say was it clear, was it not, add a flag to it, and then basically save it. And now you know this expense was paid. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.